Us right now to talk more about the markets. Last Friday's jobs report and so much more. Allianz and Gramercy Advisors, Mohamed El-Erian. He's also, of course, the president of Queen's College, Cambridge. Mohamed, it's great to see you. Is this a Goldilocks moment, or do you look at the jobs numbers and say that the Fed's going to have to pull back?
So I think for the market, the Goldilocks comes from the combination of supportive top-down and bottom-up. Top-down has been continued ample and predictable liquidity. Bottom-up has been strong earnings, and that has powered the market through all sorts of things. When you get to the economy, the concern here is inflation, and we're going to get a CPI number this week. And the wage numbers in Friday's report were really good for the U.S. economy, were less good for input costs. So keep an eye on the inflation story. If the inflation proves to be tame, then you've got the Goldilocks on the economy as well, Andrew.
What is your gamble, though? Is it going to be tame or is it going to be wild?
So I think we're going to continue to see high inflation prints, higher than what the Fed expects, higher than what most people expect. I think there is a combination of factors, both demand pull, although that's lessening, but cost push as well. So when I look at this, I think that we are underestimating the inflation threat, and inflation may prove to be more persistent. Now, I'm not going to say it's going to last forever because it's going to exhaust itself, but it will exhaust itself on a much longer time frame than what the Fed expects right now.
But does that mean that the Fed effectively increases rates sooner than perhaps the market's already baking in, or not?
So as you know, I think the Fed is late already. I think the market continues to believe that the Fed will hold out from tapering as long as possible and therefore will not raise rates for a while. And they are going to be a very dovish for very long. They've already proven it. We are seeing some movements, and that's why Steve Leisman is correct in saying there's some bring forward of the taper expectations to maybe December, from January, February, maybe November. But the Fed is late. It should have started tapering already.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.